Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! And it's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. Hi, welcome back to Swiss Family Fun. I'm Tanya, and today we are in Hasliberg in Berner, Oberland, Switzerland. It's kind of near Interlaken. And we're doing a lot of things here today. We are going up the Alpen Tower, so to the very top to get panorama views of the area. Then we're gonna come back to the middle and do two theme trails. There's one that goes along with a storybook about the magical dwarves that live in this area. And then there's another brand new trail this year, the Kugelweg, where you have these big wooden marbles, and they have 10 different elaborate marble runs that they've built along the trail, and we're going to try that out. I will put a link in the description below to our website where I have all the details for this trail, including a trail map and instructions on how to get here. And now let's get on the trail. Let me see your Google.
Untitled Chapter.
Okay, let's go. Yeah, go ahead. Go, 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 go. Got some snow? Julie loves the snow. So we're at the top of the Alpen Tower here at Hasliberg. It is so beautiful. And I feel so satisfied because last night I spent hours looking over the maps, trying to figure out where we should come today, what would be the perfect thing. Because this is really, it's the last hike that we're going to be able to do of the holiday, of the fall break, and we have perfect weather, and it's going to rain tomorrow, and I want it to be perfect. And it's just so hard to find the right thing to do. And then I get up here and it's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. And I haven't actually walked up here at all at the top of the Alpen Tower. It's amazing. I wanted to do maybe a hike over here around, but they said it's closed because of snow, so we're going to do one that's lower down that's fun for the kids with some, well, you'll see later, they have a marble run that they're going to do. Hopefully it'll be fun. So we're going to get everything today. We're going to get a hike, we're going to get gorgeous views up here on the top of the mountain, and we're going to have fun for the kids. So, should be a good day. Let's go. Starting with the Zurich, we are up here. Not really on the map yet. And then we're gonna follow that path down to Bidme, here, over here. And then that's where we catch up with the Kugelweg. Oops. Came on this trail a long time ago when my kids were much smaller, and it felt like it was a little in disrepair that time, and I'm so pleased to see that all the signs are new and they've added some new things to trails, so this is exciting. We're gonna come check it out. This is the Pine Cone Drying Station.
Kobe. Kobe.
All right, how many can you get in?
1, 2. No, 2 in a row.
I want to see 3 in a row.
Yeah, wait. The wagon.
Okay, loading it up.
Oh, this is cool. Well, there's not that many good ones on
Okay, you're putting them in the basket.
No, I'll go up. Ah! This is worth. Here, coming down.
I love that these signs tell you how far to the next station. So important with little kids. Okay, you want to explore the caves and see what we got?
Explore the cave. Okay, let's do it.
Well, they may not be person-sized.
Let's go in.
You're gonna ride home on that instead of hike? Okay, sounds good. But we have 3 languages, that's pretty good. So we've got German, English, and French. The recommendation here is to collect wood, chop it, bundle it, and start a campfire. They expect children to be handy with the tools.
This one is dangerous.
Agreed. Nice picnic area with wood, grills. Look at this, there's 4 grills over here. Pretty nice. Okay, we're looking for the hidden cave. We're gonna leave it a secret.
Oh,
It's a big cave? Yeah? Any secrets?
it's pretty obvious. It's like
Okay.
a cave and then some gitter and then you can see the
And you can walk inside? Any treasures inside?
yeah, a big crystal like.
Okay, it's gonna be a secret for them. They're gonna have to find it themselves. The labyrinth. We've been waiting for this one all day. Who can find the way to the middle? To the ladybug, and of course, the way out again.
Whoever found the ladybug first wins.
Wait, can you guys come out? We're doing hide and seek. Chili!
Wait a minute! I just went around the entire circle and went nowhere.
Chili, come.
This is only for little kids. Oh no, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I can't get through. It's fun when you come back to places you know, but you haven't been for a while, and they are totally different. Have all sorts of things you didn't remember. Here's a nice picnic area by the little lake. Water, wood, grills, tables, lake. Nice. So we finished the Zwergeweg, and that was the theme trip there with all the fun things. We liked the labyrinth. That was great. They liked the pine cone throwing station. Actually, we liked all of it. It was a lot of fun. That was about 5 kilometers. And now we're gonna do the Kugelweg, so the part where we have the marble run, and see how that goes. It's pretty late. It's almost 5 o'clock. Good thing we don't have to catch any down because we're hiking all the way down to where our car is. So no time limits for us. That's nice. Here we go. Follow this sign to the Kugelweg.
Faster! Go, Sven, go!
Go! Go!
Go fast, go fast!
Go fast, chicken!
Go fast! You got this! My scared. That's good, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good!
This part is so steep.
Probably my favorite so far.
Yeah? Why do you like it?
It's like multiple and it has like
Oh yeah.
stuff like this.
Oh cool. Yeah, it has a bunch of different cool features on it. Oh, I love the little whirlpool one here. That's nice. We think that this is where they take a bath because they can heat it up, and clearly they built a fire underneath.
And they've done it before because it's black.
Yeah, and they have a little bucket there to wash.
No,
Because they don't have hot water in the
not to bring water.
house, I suppose. This is extremely steep right here. Yeah, here go. Just they don't want you to put rocks and stuff in
Can't do a
there.
race here because it might lead to this water.
Yeah.
Cobbler!
It's a very elaborate, these things.
Amazing.
Really fun.
Like there, almost.
Oh, it's so random.
Yes.
Okay, the kids want me to make sure to say that there was a huge explosion. We were just walking down the trail, and then all of a sudden it was like the whole mountain was exploding, and there were 2 of them. We don't know what it was. At first, my first thought was maybe it's a hunter, they're shooting, but it was much too loud for that. There were some planes going by, so we thought maybe sonic boom, but I think it might have been an explosion. It will remain a mystery, but our dog got very scared. Still on the leash, because it's too scared, it's going to run away and hide. Where does it fall out?
Yeah.
I know the kids really liked the Kugelbahn because they bypassed this amazing trampoline to go up and use the Kugelbahn. So kudos to the people that designed this trail. Thank you. The Kugelbahns were super fun. The marble runs, we really liked that. It was a really cool idea for a trail. They have different carpenters and woodworkers from the area. Each one sponsored a different Kugelbahn. So that's cool to see the different styles and their workmanship. Love it. Love the trail. Good job, Hasliberg. All right, well, if you like what you saw, I'll put a link in the description below to our website where I have a trail map and all the information on how to get here and do this trail. I took so many videos that I've run out of battery and my SD card is full, so I gotta finish this here. So we'll see you here next time for more family fun in Switzerland.